Bring it back.
Welcome back to WPNN. My name is Riley.
And my name is Trinity.
Panthers, homecoming was awesome. The gym was filled with glamorous decorations provided by SGA and Miss Rock.
And not only was the gym completely decked out for our theme, Old Hollywood, but also our fellow Heritage students.
All of your outfits were outstanding. We hope you guys had a great time.
Seniors, do you have any adorable photos from your kindergarten years? If so, please submit them in the Google form from the Senior Google Classroom. The post looks like this.
Also, seniors, make sure you order your cap and gown for graduation from the Jostens website. The deadline to order these for your graduation is December 15th.
Order your cap and gown through this website.
Seniors who have not yet passed the math or reading graduation requirement should register for the December 7th SAT. The deadline is November 22nd.
And if you would like to register for the December 14th ACT, the deadline is today.
If you are free or reduced lunch, request SAT fee waivers directly through your College Board account. If you get denied, email Ms. Jameer. For ACT waivers, also email Ms. Jameer.
If you have not yet completed your Bright Futures application, apply through this link above.
Another thing, Dean Stewart Photography is still accepting students for the senior portrait sessions. There is a minimum of $25 refundable deposit for the session. Please sign up ASAP to have your student's senior picture included in the yearbook.
Sign up with the link posted here. If you have not yet done your college and career survey, please do as soon as possible. The link for this survey is on your Focus homepage under District and School Announcements.
Guess what, Panthers? The Black Student Union is hosting a skating fundraiser.
The For Goodness Skates fundraiser will be tomorrow, November 9th, from 4:30 to 6:30 at Galaxy Skateway. Again, that's this Saturday.
Tickets themselves will be $12 and $15 will be required for entry. Skates will also be provided, so no need to worry.
If you have any questions, please contact Ms. Collins or visit room 4104 for more information.
Also, there will be a band concert tonight in the auditorium starting at 7 p.m.
For anyone interested in attending, feel free to come.
Breaking news! Students 17 or older who would like to participate in this upcoming blood drive can do so now.
This event will be hosted at Heritage on November 19th from 8:30 to 2:30. To register, visit Coach Shelley in room 6114 before school or during lunch.
Again, you must be 17 years or older to register, and you must have your ID to sign up and attend as well.
Last but not least, congratulations to our 582 students who made the ABA Honor Roll for Quarter 1. You will receive your Honor Roll certificate and a very well-deserved treat today during 7th period.
In sports news, wrestling finally begins on November 11th. If you have any questions, see Coach Ulmer in room 119.
Also, our boys and girls bowling team won the Cape Coast Conference on October 17th.
Both bowling teams went to state championships, and both boys and girls team took 3rd place overall.
Congratulations to both of our bowling teams. Here's to many more wins in the future.
Speaking of state tournaments, our technical design and game simulation students really gave it their all in the Full Sail Tech Fest esports tournament.
The top 3 players in each period have been invited to participate in the Full Sail State Esports tournament to win scholarships.
Congratulations to each of the winning players and good luck at the state tournament.
Panthers, hurricane makeups days are now in effect, which means some of our Fridays are now regular schedule days.
The official days that are impacted are today, November 15th, November 22nd, and December 6th.
We will continue to give updates and reminders every week throughout the future months.
But for now, that's all the news for this week. Panthers, thank you for watching, and remember, Panthers are respectful, responsible, and prepared. Go Big Blue!